There are thousands of pets in Central Florida every year who need a safe place, medical care, and a second chance at a home, especially during kitten and puppy season. Local shelters see an overwhelming number of animals come through their doors. Pet Alliance is an organization stepping in to make sure those animals get the care, attention, and time they need. They're not just providing shelter, they're helping pets heal, grow, and families who give them a forever home. Stanley Steemer has been working with Pet Alliance for many years. We actually clean for their facility at a no cost. We adopt, we volunteer. We're in the community with them every day. Our employees can adopt and we pay the adoption fee. We do our best to make sure there's a partnership there in the animal welfare community, and Pet Alliance does a great job getting animals forever homes. Being a part of the community means showing up for causes that matter. And animal welfare is something our STEAM team genuinely cares about. Supporting Pet Alliance is one way we can help make a difference locally to support the incredible work that Pet Alliance does. It's the people behind the effort, the staff, the volunteers, and the supporters who make the second chances possible. And every adoption, every foster placement, and every act of support helps change the animal's life. If you're able to help Pet Alliance, they're always looking for people to foster, adopt, and volunteer. Even one small action can make a big difference in an animal's life.